Hey dear student, today we are going to learn type of relation and solve various MCQ related to it. Okay, so type of relation. Type 1 reflection or reflective. Or reflective relation. Definition: a relation are defined on set A is called reflective if there exists a order pair A, A which is element of relation R for all A belongs to set A. Example: let set A is having element 1, 2, 3, relation R1 having order pair 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Again, second relation R2 whose order pair 1, 1 and 2, 2. Again, a third relation R3 whose order pair 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 1, 2. Out of the three relation, which one is reflective one? So we look into the definition that to called a reflective relation, there exists a order pair in set R. Okay, for all element of A means to called a reflective order pair, there exists A, that is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. For first order pair, this one become A and second become A. For third, similarly so on. Okay, so these three order pair must come under the relation. So we check in first relation this three order pair is present. In second relation only two order pair are present, so it is not a reflective one. Third relation, this three order pair are present, so it is also a reflective one. Again, let's consider second example. Let set A consists of 1 and 2 element. So a relation to called a reflective one, it must contain order pair 1 1 and 2 2. Means all element related with that element. All element that must related with itself. Okay. Example third. Set A consists of 1 2 3 4. So a relation to be called a reflective one, it must contain 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 order pair, then it called a reflective one. Here in all three examples we point out that in a order pair each element map with each other. Each element, one element map with itself, two element map with two, means itself. Similarly here also, one map with one, two map with two, three map with three, four map with four. Okay. In general, let us set A whose element A, B, C and D and a relation R which is defined from set A to set A is called reflective if the relation has the following order pair, that is R equal to AA, BB order pair, CC order pair, DD order pair. Means each element of set A map with itself for reflective relation. A set A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Here a relation R is defined where A related to A, to B, C is related to C and D related to D. Let's do some questions. In this question, a set A having element M and O, 3 element. So, and given 4 option, we have to check which one is reflective one. So, in reflective relation, each individual element must map with itself. Means M should map with M, N should map with N and O should map with O. So this order pair must be present in a relation. So we check MM order pair, NN order pair, OO order pair. All 3 order pair are present. So it is a reflective one. Again check second question where relation 2 has MN order pair, OO order pair, NN order pair. Necessary 2 order pair are present, but third one is not related to itself. Means M should related with N. MM order pair is missing here, so it is not a reflective one. MM in third question MM order pair is present, NN order pair is present, OO order pair is present. All 3 elements of set A is mapped with itself. So necessary condition is satisfied. So it is also a reflective one. Here we does not consider this order pair because necessary condition is satisfied. So we will not look into this order pair. Okay. In question 4, we check order pair. Order pair is present, order pair is present, but necessary order pair, that is order pair, is missing. So it is not a reflective one. Okay. Now we discuss about second relation, that is symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. Definition says a relation R is called symmetric if A, B order pair of set R or relation R is present, then there must be B, A order pair also present. Then it will called symmetric relation. Example: set A whose element 1, 2, 3 and various relation, that is R1 whose order pair is 1, 1, 2, 2 and 2, 3. Second relation R2 1, 2, 2, 1. R3 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Again a relation R4 whose order pair are 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay. R5 whose order pair are 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Now we check according to definition. If BA is present, BA means alternative numbers. 1, 1, if we consider A, it B, and if we consider 1 as A and second one is B, then alternative are present. One condition is for one order pair it satisfy. For 2, 2, if we consider A, 2 as A and second 2 as a B, then 2 is present and BA also present, AB also present and BA also present. Okay. If we consider A as 2 as A and 3 as a B, but alternative 3, 2 is not present. For identical order pair means 1, 1, 2, 2, their alternative position can be written as 1, 1. So these two order pair is satisfied that condition, but this order pair is not satisfied BA condition. Similarly, so it is not a symmetric one. Again, we consider second example. We considered 1 as A, 2 as B. So AB is present and BA also present. So it is symmetric one. Similarly, A, B, for this order pair, AB is present. So if we alter the position, same order pair is coming out. So this satisfy. 2A is present, but 1, 2 is not there in whole set of that relation. So it is also not a symmetric one. Second one, 1, 2 is present, 2, 1 is present. These two conditions satisfy. 2, 2 is present, which we can write as a 2, 2, similar as 2, 2. Alter the position, same result we get. If we consider first 2 as A, second 2 as B, alter the position, we get BA. So this condition is satisfied. In case of this order pair, if we consider B as A and A as B, which alternative condition is present here? That is BA. So it is a symmetric one. In fifth example, 1, 1 is present. So we alter the position, we get AB and BA. So it is satisfied. 2, 1 is present. So this alter order pair, that is 1, 2, must be present, which is missing there. So it is not a symmetric one. After that, a third relation, that is transitive relation. Transitive relation. Definition says relation are defined on set A is called transitive if a B order pair and BA and BC order pair element of R, then there must be C, A order pair present in relation R. After that, it will called transitive relation. Means if a B order pair is present and BC order pair is present, then there must be CA also present in R. Okay. For example, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So a relation R1 is called transitive if this type of order pair is present. One, two, 2, 3 and 1, 3. means AB, BC and SC. Let's do some questions. Check which one is transitive relation. Set A having element 1, 2, 3. Relation 1 having order pair 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 1. First we have check. It is in the format AB, BC and CA. All three order pair. If these two order pair is present, then this third one must present to called a transitive one. Okay. If these two relation is missing, then it also transitive. Okay. If this two order pair is present, then it must contain this order pair to transitive relation. If this two order pair is missing, then it ultimately a transitive relation. We does not consider third relation. It ultimately become a transitive relation. So let one is A, two is B. So B, C, C, A. All three order pair is present. So this is a transitive one. Here 1, 2, 2, 3. If we consider 2 as a B and 3 as a C, then there is missing but it does not has CA and AB, so it ultimately become a transitive one. For transitive necessary AB and BC to present. If these two order pair is missing, then we do not consider CA and it always transitive. So here in example, in relation 2, although BC is present and either from the two order pair non one is present, so it is transitive relation. Okay. In third relation 1, 2, AB, BC, AC is present. All three are present. So it is a transitive one. Here 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. It is also a reflective one because necessary condition is not required here, because we already studied that whenever ABBC is present, then we find CA. If ABBC is missing, then it ultimately transitive one. Okay. Here AB and BC is missing. AB and BC is missing. Out of the three order pair, ABBC type order pair is missing, so it is ultimately transitive one. Okay. In third 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2. Here AB, BC is present. So now we consider CA, whether it present or not. Here AB, BC is present, and we have to consider CA, which is not present here. So it is not a transitive. So in summary, we may conclude that if a relation have AB and BC, then we check whether CA is present or not in that relation. If CA is missing, then it is not a transitive, and CA is present, then it is a transitive. So we may write as case 1, case 2. Case 1, when AB and BC are present, then we check whether CA is present or not. If present, then called as transitive. If absent, then then it is not called as transitive. Case 2, when AB, BC are absent, or either one of them is absent, then we not consider CA and it become a transitive relation.